Hi Daily Dolls, welcome back to the channel. I am so excited to be in your presence once again. Thank you so much for your love, kindness, and your prayers for my mom. But today we are going to be finally taking a moment and we're going to showcase a Rustic Glam Home Refresh. Yes, my Rustic Glam Home Refresh is finally here, you guys. Sorry that it has taken such a long time to get to you, but I ran into some hurdles and things, but I overcame them, and now we are here at this point of showcasing. So sit back, relax, enjoy the video, and also if you're new to the channel, welcome. So glad to have you. Click that subscribe button down below and join our family. It's free. And turn on your post notification bell to my newbies and my oldie but goodies. You all make sure you have your notification bell turned on because you don't want to miss out on the new things that is going on at Hannah's Daily Life. We have some upcoming giveaways, some new collaborations, some DIYs, and some new vlogs coming up really soon. So make sure those notification bells are turned on so that you don't miss out on any videos. Also, you guys, this is my Rustic Glam Home Refresh on a budget. It is also my spring refresh and my 2018 Easter refresh, all in one, you guys. Go ahead and watch the video, enjoy it, give me a thumbs up, like, comment, and share. I love you guys, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.
What?